now that we have money, maghanap na tayo ng food. So, I think madali lang naman. I don't need to take the elevator.
Because there are so many.
I immediately found the magic food point. Sobrang dali lang yung puntahan. From the second floor, baba lang kayo. And then you'll already see this. Kung pupunta kayo dito, huwag na kayo magdala ng push cart sa luggage para makapasok yung luggage nyo with you. Pero yan, ang daming food. Hanap tayo ng bet natin. Okay, apparently, you need a cash card for you to be able to purchase food here. So, bibili ako ng cash card here. Okay, I loaded 200 dun sa cash card. Kasi I'm not that hungry and I heard mura lang naman yung food dito. So, either I'm looking for curry or some pad thai. May halal food din. Finally, nakita ko na yung pad thai. Dito siya sa Siam Im Aroy. Pad thai with shrimp, 90 baht. I think hindi siya kasing cheap nung sa mga usual pad thai places. Pero what we're at the airport. Thank you. Okay, let's eat. So, may lime and everything. Oh my god. So, I got some shrimp pad thai. Okay, not the best pad thai I've had. Pero pwede na. I'm already done eating, so I'm getting my refund. Let's see how this works. So, nakalagay naman by any amount and you can get a refund. Pero kailangan ma-return mo siya by 11:30 p.m. And since I only spent 90, I got 110 back. Now, let's find a train. Let's go to the city and find better food. So, Magic Food Court, it's okay, not the best. Pero if you're looking for some cheap food to eat, pwede na. Okay, so ito na yung papunta sa train to the city. And in the past, usually, dito talaga ako kumukuha ng mga SIM card. Ayan, nandito. Nandito rin yung mura na palitan ng money. So, basement floor. So, dito tayo sa Airport Link. So, from Suam. Okay, wait lang. Cancel. Okay, I'll show you. So, from the airport, you take the city line to Payatay Station, if I remember correctly. I just need one. Wait lang na, i-double. I got my ticket na. It's only 45 baht. It's already from the airport to Payatay Station. So, depends. Okay. So, yun. Tatap mo lang yung token. And then, when you're exiting, ilalaglag mo na siya. Similar siya to Taiwan. Pero this one is super cheap. It's only 45 baht. Okay, the train is here. The train is here. They're just doing some security checks. And then we can enter na. So I've taken trains before where you're facing each other, you're facing forward. I think it's a lot better. But let's go do it. Anyway, I'll see you in the city. Okay, I'm on my way to the hotel. So bumaba ako sa Ratcha Prop-Up Station instead of Payatay kasi cheaper mag-grab. Nag-grab na lang ako kasi my bag is like super big and I have a large luggage. Dalawa kasi siya, tapos pinagkasya ko lang in one. I could have taken the BTS train pero kasi mahirap yung BTS dito. Actually, nagbuhat talaga ako ng luggage ko pababa. Walang escalator pababa, wala yung elevator. Pero it's fine, it's just once. And siguro last na yun. Now I'm taking Grab. It's only 85 baht. Pag nag-train siguro ako, it's around 20 to 30 baht. Pero it's a lot less convenient. So pick your battles na lang, diba? I think for 85 baht, sobrang sulit na nun. So parang like wala pa siyang mga 150 pesos. It's super cheap. So we're staying at the college house. I will show you later. Medyo off the beach siya. I think, ito na pala. We're here at College House. So, this was Ina's find, actually. So let me show you around first. So we're going to the lobby. Hi! Okay, ang recommendation sa akin ng receptionist is to go to Century Plaza so that I can go grocery shopping. Sabi niya may grocery daw doon. So, nandun lang siya sa may kanto. Ang init. Medyo pinapawisan na ako. Okay. Ito na yung Century Plaza. Century Movie Plaza. Sana tama to, no? Ayan, mukhang tama naman. May mga stores. Pero ang need ko talaga is grocery. Ayan, there's Bonchon, Barbecue Plaza. There's a food court. There's a theater. Okay, pakita ko sa inyo later. Okay, na-amaze ako na may Dookie. I'm not sure if kay Ryan Bang ba talaga yun. Originally ba kay Ryan talaga tong Dookie? Ano? Tama naman yung receptionist. May grocery nga dito. Hello mga bottoms. Nandito tayo sa tops. Ayan. So let's go grocery shopping. Okay, nahanap ko na yung mga hinahanap ko na ginger tea. Iba-iba sila. Dami nila actually. Tapos individually packaged sila. So, I guess, parang pipili na lang ko kung ano pinaka-bet ko. Yung iba may lemon extract. Ayan, hata. May stevia. Ginger. This is 125 baht. Yung iba may ginseng. Vitamins. Honey. Parang masarap to. Okay, ito, pinalitan ko na lang siya kasi ito, mas mataas yung honey powder niya. Ginger powder, honey powder, saka lemon juice powder. Feeling ko ito masarap. Ito yung Yakult section nila. It's in Thai. So, hindi ko maintindihan. Hindi siya Yakult. Ano to? Meiji. Walang Yakult. Okay, hanapin muna natin yung Yakult. Disappointed ako na walang Yakult, pero malay ba natin kung masarap to? This is 39 baht. Pweds na. 6 days, once a day. Ganda na itsura ng mga meat nila, oh. Parang individually packaged. Siguro, we could also find some nice fruits. Ito may vegetables. Yung chip section, it's actually for research. Yung nephew ko kasi, he loves chips. So, I think I have to try, di ba? Para malaman kung ano yung masarap. May Thai desserts dito. Gosh, may longan. So, matatempt ako. 35, 1 topping. 40, 2 toppings. 45, 3 toppings. Success yung grocery shopping natin. Konti lang binili ko. Oh my gosh! There's a sushi roll here. Kayain ko sila Joe. Favorite nila yon. Ewan ko kung okay yung price. Mga nakikita ko sa streets, mayroong corn, may nagbebenta ng toys, cute yung mga stickers din. Tapos, may fruit vendor. So, I see durian. Magkano kaya yung durian? Ay, umalis siya. Oh my gosh. This place is, there's a pool area. So, in case we want to exercise, I guess we could use the pool. I'm not sure how deep it is. Ayan. So, sila Joe, they got a pool view. Ako, hindi ko alam kung saan yung room ko kasi hindi pa rin ako nakapag-check-in. Pero yeah, ayan yung pool. May mababaw. May seemingly malalim. So, hopefully later, we could see. Ayan, may pool rules. Check natin. Going na to my room. Medyo weird yung vibe niya. Honestly, parang UST. Just, kaya ba college house? Kasi medyo parang college. So, I don't have a pool view. Pero, ayan. I'm pool adjacent naman. Kaya lang baka malayo ako kina Joe. Anyway, this is me, 410. So, mag-empty room tour na tayo. Oh my gosh. Okay, yung desk yung sumalubong sa akin, not a vibe. Bakit para ang dumi ng itsura niya? So, pagpasok, ayan, may closet. Ang laki, actually, perfect siya. Now, let's show the bathroom. Cute naman yung bathroom. Maganda yung shower. Tapos, malinis. Sobrang linis. May bidet. Gosh, sobrang important niyan. This is the mirror situation. Hello. Ayan. Laki ng mirror. Okay, in fairness, not bad for its price. May microwave. Yung fridge may kalakihan din. May water kettle. Perfect for my ginger tea. Tapos, this is my bed. At may paswan pa. Tapos may balcony ako na whatever. Ayan, may couch pa ako. Actually, ang daming pwedeng matulog here. This is such a nice place. Actually, sobrang sulit na to. Good job. Sobrang amazing. Thank you, Ina, for picking this. Ayan, may mga upuan. I think I will be right at home. May mga nagme-message sa akin, baka si Joe, I'll check it out. Anyway, that's the empty room. Andito na daw sila.
Hey, girl!
Are you already checked in? Yes. Okay. Go ahead. Fourth. Kayo ba? Okay. Magkaiba rin kasi tayo ng view, girl. Yes. Yes, sige. So, mag-room tour tayo kina Joe. Sa kanila yung medyo mas shala na room, yung parang pool. In fairness, hindi creepy.
Yay! Is it clean?
Malinis siya, pati yung banyo. I think medyo weird lang yung vibe na para siyang college. Sabi ko parang UST. Yung parang dumadaan ka sa corridor.
Ah, okay. Yung corridor.
Parang ganun yung vibe.
Okay.
Tingnan mo. Ayan o, tingnan mo. Like, girl, it's giving UST College of Education.
Okay.
Diba?
Is it not
Wait, anong room nyo ba?
341?
3, 4. Here.
Is it not giving bad vibes?
Bakit parang, ito nga yung, nakaharap nga siguro kayo sa pool, girl.
Dapat yung opposite side is
Cute naman, girl. Like, parang malinis yung banyo, tapos malaki yung kama, may couch, may microwave. Ayan.
very unfair.
Diba? It's not bad.
No, girl. It's not, hindi lang siya not bad. Kasi, maganda siya.
Yeah. Sabi ko nga, good job, Ina.
Oh, girl. It's nice.
Yes.
Happy to report.
Magkaiba yung setting natin. So, kayo parang may dining nook kayo. Ako may sofa.
Parang mas better
Parang
yun.
sofa bed yung sa akin. Pero girl, wala naman kasi ibang matutulog. So, medyo weird. Mas okay yan.
Hindi kasi girl, mas masarap tumambay doon. Kasi
Oo nga. Pwede naman. Pero kasi girl, kayo yung may view. May hottie kaya. Check out na eh.
Kaya nga eh. Paano mo nandito si On?
Okay, so yung kanila, isa lang yung swan. Sa akin, dalawa for some reason. Nag-crash na ako, diba? Ang kapal ng kumain na kayo, girl. We're here at Polo Fried Chicken. Ayan, medyo outdoor siya. So, dadalhin niya kami sa may aircon daw. So, ayan, parang may extension na Polo Fried Chicken. Okay, this is their menu. So, ano, Joe? Fried chicken.
Fried chicken half, saka yung kanila papaya salad.
Okay. Meron bang One Piece?
Girl, half!
Kaya ko ba kainin yung
I think
half?
so. Oo, girl, alam mo yan.
Okay. Hindi ako
Kuhanin mo lang yung dito sa
Isang pan lang din.
Okay, so papaya salad saka chicken.
Pwede mo tayo mag...
Alam ako, ang laki ng beer. Like, okay, ito yung hand ko. Ayan, ang laki na. Parang,
girl, in fairness.
ilang liters ba siya? O, ang lamig nga rin. Girl, 620 ml. Tingnan niyo, ang laki talaga
last year of the
niya.
day, maybe.
It's so big. Diba? Or feeling ko maliit lang talaga yung face ko.
It's so
Parang
big.
artista.
That's not the first time I heard it.
Grabe. Cheers.
for the RC and Joe.
Ang sarap ng lamig.
Yes. Cooker, kaya mo yan?
Pagkasama ko sila Jojo Ichoy po, napapasabak talaga. Ang intense. Looks good though. Grabe.
So parang ano lang siya.
Girl, yung mga kasabay natin, share lang.
Kuha na natin na tatlo.
Grabe po, tigi-isa kaming half chicken.
Para lang kung ano yun yung kanina natin sa loob. Tapos sa akin mapupunta.
Oo.
Let's just hope na masarap. I hope so.
Looks like Max's chicken though.
Oh.
We're having coffee and dessert here at the coffee club. Medyo malayo nilakad namin, pero ginusto niya yan. Tingnan niyo, gusto ko siya.
Gusto niyo kumusta siya yung pinaka-force ko?
14-minute walk. Pero feeling ko like ano kami, 30.
Girl, parang feel ko 20 yung...
Oo, feeling ko din.
Siya na po.
But, ayan, mukhang masarap yung food. Honestly, pero ang mahal ha. Yung eggs ben nila, 350 baht.
Oh, mahal.
So, parang around 400, 500. Where's the eggs ben? Parang ang liit though. Ayun. Yung coffee, I think reasonably priced naman siya. 95 yung espresso. Americano, 115. This is the vibe of the place. In fairness, nice siya. High ceiling naman. Yan. Feeling ko sarap mag-breakfast dito.
Go pa.
And our orders are here. I'm having Thai milk tea. Yung kay RC, I forgot. Ano yung sa'yo, RC? Berry what? Berry bisco. Pang-arte nung kanya. Guy si Joe, Thai milk tea din. He got this Basque cheesecake na may parang coulis. Na naalala ko dito si Joey Tribbiani. Yung parang, what's this crap on top of my cheesecake? Nanood ko ng Friends, girl.
Oh, girl, pero yung reference, medyo hindi ako kabisado. Unlike...
Si Crew yata dapat.
Si Crew.
Okay, tingnan natin kung may laban siya sa Chatramute.
Ay, masarap ba yun? Kasi pili ko.
Ha?
Hindi namin tinikman.
Ah.
Pero, girl,
Medyo matamis siya. You just have to let the ice melt. Pero yes, may laban siya kay Chatramute.
Ano, isa naman yung Thai.
Good morning, everyone. Let's do a mini grocery haul kasi parang, syempre hindi ko pa kayo lumabas. A mini grocery and 7-Eleven haul. Pakita ko muna yung mga binili ko kahapon and let's taste it. So I have this probiotic drink. Di siya Yakult, so I have yet to try it. Meron akong seaweed chips and potato chips. Isa pa lang yata kaya ko kanina. I'm probably natin buksan, tapos try lang. I have ginger tea kasi masakit yung throat ko. And I have ham and cheese croissant from 7-Eleven. So, first, timplahin muna natin yung ginger tea. And it comes in these sachets. Medyo whiter siya than the tea that we have. Okay. First, let's try the seaweed chips. Medyo mahirap din buksan ko yung chips na para sa Pilipinas. Okay. Tasto yata ang pangalan ng chips. Hindi ko super sure. Ang sarap siya. Ito yata favorite ko. I'll be honest, a bit underwhelming siya compared dito. If you're only choosing one, choose the seaweed flavor. Ang sarap. Try natin yung ham and cheese croissant sandwich from 7-Eleven. Sadly, hindi ko siya napatos sa 7-Eleven kasi may sarili naman akong microwave. Pero for me, I think this would have been better kung parang sa sandwich maker siya. Kasi croissant yung texture niya eh. Mainit. Oh my gosh. And ewan ko sila Joe kung na-achieve nila yan. And this is just a hunch. Feeling ko, if sa toaster to or sa sandwich maker, this would have been 5 crazy coins. Pero dahil microwave lang siya, 3.5 crazy coins lang siya. 5 crazy coins. Sobrang perfect nito. Okay, let's try the non-Yakult drink. Parang probiotic. Okay, first impressions, hindi ako natutuwa sa pag-open sa kanya. Saka, kasing size lang siya ng Yakult. In other countries, malalaki yung Yakult nila. So, hindi ako masyado happy dito. First impressions lang naman. Smells okay. Okay, may konting difference yung lasa. I think this is a bit sweeter. Pero pwede na. I think I will survive naman na ito yung iniinom ko for 7 days. Lastly, we have the tea. Again, sad yung color niya. Pakita ko lang Ayun, no? Diba, hindi siya brown or something. Okay. Tapos, ang hirap niya i-dissolve for some reason. Disappointing yung flavors niya. Yung sa Philippines kasi, the moment you sip, parang may numbing effect na siya. Tapos parang feeling ko magaling na kagad yung throat ko. This one, ang mild masyado ng ginger flavor niya. Siguro pag hindi mo pa kaya yung parang intense ginger flavor. This is just okay. Meron siyang konting citrus flavor, konti lang. Pati yung honey flavor, konti lang. Yung ginger din, konti lang. For me, it's a bit bitan. I want something stronger. Good morning. Pupuntahan ko lang si RC sa gym. Dadaanan ko lang siya. Pero syempre hindi ako sasama. I'm going to the pharmacy to buy some more throat stuff. Kasi, you know, ang sakit ng throat ko. But sabi ni Joe, nandito daw. Parang hindi ko naman makita yung gym. I wonder where the gym is. Oh, wow! She's a healthy girly. Pak! Ang taray. Okay, anyway. Punta na tayo sa pharmacy. My friend Meg sent me a link. Tapos parang malapit lang siya, mga 2 kanto lang. So I hope makita natin siya. Yan, 7 minutes walk lang daw. So hopefully tama siya. Okay, I found Bangkok Pharmacy. I'm assuming ito yung pharmacy kasi mukha siyang pharmacy. So, pasok tayo. It says open 24 hours. Tignan natin kung nandito yung need natin. Okay, nakita ko lahat ng kailangan ko. Tignan niyo, may Difflam. Tapos may Difflam Forte din. Thank you, Meg. Meron pang mga choices dito na other throat spray. Pero, syempre, Difflam. We're Difflam girls. Hindi ko alam kung magkano ito though. Anyway, bayaran na lang natin. Oh my gosh, successful yung pharmacy trip natin. I'm so happy. Oh my gosh, ang daming fruits. Ooh, may parang mga longgan something. Gosh, ang saya naman here. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan, may mga breakfast. May mango sticky rice, saka mga sweets. Tapos may mga fried food na parang calamares. Ito rin mga fried. Gosh. Pero, hindi yun yung goal natin this morning. Kakakain ko lang. Actually, ng 7-Eleven haul. Pero, super achieve ng Difflam. Gosh, alam nyo, ibang level yung happiness ko. I spent 359 baht. So, medyo expensive, magkasakit. Honey lemon. Oh my gosh, ang daming temptations. Pero, wala pa yung longgan. As you know, I'm a longgan girl. So, yun. Anyway, babalik ako sa hotel na happy. So, I already have a throat spray. Tapos, may dalawa pa akong parang Difflam lozenges. Ang saya-saya. Tapos, everything is over the counter. Yung lozenges, I think 38 siya. So, siguro mga 300 baht yung Difflam spray. So, around 400, 500 pesos. I think not bad. Similar yung price niya sa Difflam sa atin. It's just so funny na Nakabili ako ng Diflam. Ang tagal-tagal ko talaga siyang tinry i-achieve. Anyway, hindi na tayo mag-jaywalk. Ayan, may pedestrian crossing here. Ay, sige, mamaya na lang tayo tumawid para I can show you more of the street. Maganda naman yung area namin. Everything is here. Alam nyo, may salon pa dito. It's only 300 baht for a haircut. Tapos, tingnan nyo, bukas sila ng 7 o'clock. Ang saya ng 7 o'clock kasi sa atin parang I don't see that very often. So parang kung may event ka ng maaga, di ba? Bukas na sila. Ayan. So lahat pa tayo papuntang hotel. Taking a dip now. So pumunta ako sa pool area. Wala nagsiswimming. I think it's still quite early. Si RC nasa gym. Sila Ina, I don't think they're swimming. Si Joe nasa room nag-chill. So ako lang. Done swimming. Now we're going up to my room. I didn't know there was an elevator. Meron kaya? I wonder if this is connected. Tingnan natin. Bye, pool. We're on our way to Kwai Jab Mr. Joe. So, para siyang mga pork chop. Para siyang pork chop place. Tapos yan, nagsumakay kami ng boat na 6-seater. Tapos yung boat namin, 190 lang. It's so cheap. So yun, for the whole trip, parang balak namin, puro mga grab lang. Kasi madami naman kami. Anyway, I'm so excited. Si Joe pumili ng restaurant. So pag hindi masarap,
Bala kay John.
yeah. Yan, we're here na sa Mr. Joe. Parang casual restaurant vibe lang siya. Tapos ayan yung mga food. This is the menu. Ayan, may soup, 80 baht. So I guess pipili ka kung anong bet mong topping. Tapos ito may crispy pork, 80 per dish. Tapos 800 per kilo. They have shumai, shrimp dumpling, 30 baht lang. Tapos they have chrysanthemum jelly. Na-excite ako kasi ngayon pa lang ako chrysanthemum ulit. Okay, so this is what we got. We got some noodles, we got some pork. I got chrysanthemum juice. I'm so excited. Now let's try na. Ay, masarap yung soup, in fairness. Parang peppery. Narinig yung crunch. Ang sarap.
Not bad for our first meal.
It's so amazing na kahit nalublob na yung pork, may crunch pa rin siya.
Hindi ako Pilipino sa usawa.
Bakit yung mga industry, hindi siya malasa?
Talaga? Check ko nga.
Deserve
Okay.
ba ang mission?
I think ito liver siya.
Ano ba ang mission lang tayo?
Harap nga.
Dapat dadata mag-mic na rin.
Guys, paper
Para hindi
lang.
kami nagsasapawan ng pay. Paano ba?
Harap.
Wala, ito na.
Okay, ayan, may mga innards siya. Parang sa 80 baht, matitikman mo na lahat nung nasa listahan nila. Everything. Ayan, medyo scared ako, pero feeling ko masarap naman. Tapos ito yung noodles nila, kakaiba. Ayan, may pork. Succulent daw, sabi ni Joe.
Pero parang kaya niya pa maging tender, no? Tikman ko muna siya ng wala.
Ang galing talaga, girl. Kahit parang nalunod na yung pork sa sabaw, crunchy pa rin talaga siya. I will chrysanthemum tea myself. Gosh, ang tagal-tagal ko nang hinahanap si chrysanthemum. Hindi ko mabuksan. Oh my gosh. Ano?
Tayo ng longgan.
Yes, wala pa akong longgan.
Sana sa Job Fair meron.
Chrysanthemum.
Nakakang siya.
Okay. Let's try it. Ang proactive nila sa ice is parating madami silang ice. Ang
Grabe
sarap!
yung cake. Grabe yung cake mo ang hang.
Tapos yung pagka-floral niya, hindi downy, 'di ba? Parang ano lang, sarap siya. Love it. Fruity nga siya eh, actually. Ito. Ayun. Ang harap.
Pati ito, 80 baht lang.